Exactly 3 years ago, when I was in my second year of college, my favorite YouTuber launched his course about content creation and video editing, and it was around 40 to 50K. And I couldn't afford that at that point of time. And I really wanted to join that course because I was so much interested in content creation and video editing, and I wanted to learn it so badly. But I couldn't afford it, so I didn't join it. And I didn't wanted to ask my parents for money for this because I didn't wanted to add on top of my college fees and all the expenses they're already spending. And I was kind of feeling guilty to tell my parents about this, so I dropped the idea of it. And I convinced myself that if I have to pursue my passion, I have to complete my college, get a good job, make money, and then invest that money into pursuing my passion. I convinced myself to that totally, and I believed in it, and I started putting a lot of efforts in my academics. But at the end of my third year, I realized that I can completely learn anything for free from online. I just need to have patience and willingness to do that. And from that day, I have never paid anything for any course. I've learned almost everything for free from YouTube. And if someone asks me what is the best resource out there, YouTube will top my list. As I said, in my third year of college, I started focusing on learning skills from YouTube, mainly communication skills, documenting my life, and how to edit my own videos. I have never paid anything to learn all these skills. So let's get into the video, and I'm going to tell you about three important skills I learned from YouTube and how I am making money from it, and how you can make it, and what videos helped me. So, first and so far, the biggest income source in my life is my content creation. I wanted to document content from my childhood, literally from 10th class. I used to watch creators and think I want to do this someday, but I never had proper camera, proper skills to learn, and proper resources. And I thought all this will be possible once I get out of college, get a job, and then start earning. Everything will be possible at that time. But it was a very bad thing to think about. So one day I decided to start learning from YouTube, and content creation is something you have to do in 2026. It doesn't matter whether you are in LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, or anywhere, but it depends on what you're targeting. But you have to be visible online. And if you're not visible online, people less talented than you who are visible online, they will get the opportunities more than you. So you need to understand that everything is digitalized. I'm not telling you to create content and just post videos. I'm telling you to just be active. For example, if you're a designer, you do UX and UI designs, then just post your designs online. Talk about it, how you do it. And that's how you make your own space online. Without you showcasing people what you know, people never know what you know. So they won't be able to give you opportunities. So you have to make yourself visible to other people. And that's exactly where content creation and building personal brand comes with great help. And these are all the videos that helped me to create content and make money out of it. Second one is video editing. I started learning this as a helping hand for my content creation because when I started creating content, editing is one of the biggest problem I had, and it was very difficult to figure out all this stuff. So I started figuring out through YouTube, and a lot of videos, literally a lot of videos helped me to understand what is editing, how to start it, how to use all those tricks and everything. For example, I use CapCut, so I was mainly focusing on CapCut editing. But if you use DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro, there are a lot of videos according to the software you use too. Apart from that, you have to know the basics that everybody should know. And these are some of the videos that helped me to learn video editing. And one more thing I do every time I edit my own videos is every time I learn a new thing, new editing skill or tip or trick, and include that in my video. So it becomes a part, like it becomes a cycle of learning. Every day I learn something new and apply it. So it makes me keep updated. So I started learning editing to help my content creation, but eventually it started paying me through freelancing, clients. A lot of people still now ask me to edit their own videos, and this became an income source for me. Third, and the important skill that anyone should learn in their life is communication. Whether you're doing content creation, designing, video editing, nothing matters. You need your communication skills. Almost everything I do every single day involves communication skills. Every single person I talk to, I need my communication skills there. Improving my communication communication skills helped me to talk to camera, sales, negotiations with brands, and a lot of other things, and even just talking to people. Communication plays a biggest role in every aspect of your life, so you better master it. And if someone is able to put their thoughts into clear ideas than you, they will get those opportunities and you will lose them. So you have to understand how to communicate and a lot of other skills about communication. And these are all the videos that help me to communicate better. So lastly, I just want to tell you, if you want to buy a course and you think that is going to help you and move you forward, you better do it. Because what happens is, when you pay for a course, they have already structured everything and they have already kept everything from basic to step 1, step 2, step 3. So they have organized everything. So you just have to get the data and you don't waste the time in figuring out. You understand my point, right? So you just don't have to figure it out everything by yourself when you buy or pay for some course. And that's exactly why you are paying. Don't think paying for something is wrong. If you are able to pay for it, then there's nothing wrong. You have to pay and learn it, and it takes you forward much faster. But when you can't afford all those things, YouTube is the best platform to learn anything you want. It just takes more patience and willingness to put efforts and learn, but it is great. So at the end, I'm just telling you to stop making excuses that you don't have money, you don't have this, you don't have that. You have everything. If you have a phone or a laptop, you have almost everything in your hands. You can literally make money out of your mobile and laptop. And that's exactly how the world is working right now. So you need to understand and make your move as soon as possible. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. I hope this video helped you, and let me know in the comments if you have any doubts or any suggestions for future videos.